How to import contacts in HubSpot CRM. So first go to your HubSpot dashboard, then hover your mouse over here and then just click on contacts. Next is just click on import here at the top right corner, and then you can either choose help me get started or I'll set it up myself. So I'll just choose this one. Now you can choose among the three options here that you can use to import your data. So for example, let's just choose this one, the import a file. Click on it, and then just click on start import, and now you will be presented by four steps. Okay, now you just need to complete all of these 4 steps. For example, I'll just choose any of the options here, then click on next, then upload the company file or choose a file that you want to upload to import for your contacts. Just follow along these instructions here, and then just complete all of the steps and you will be done. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.